So if you could make your own fantasy scout group, pick in those leaders from all around the world, celebrities, who would you pick? So I had this random idea. You know, fantasy football, how it goes, and guys love it, and they pick their players and make their own ideal football team. Well, I thought, why don't we do that as a scout group? Let's dive into my own scout group. But first, quick slurp of tea. Your scout leaders can be dead or alive, and they don't have to be connected with scouts, so they don't have to be an ambassador. Here's mine, starting off, the group scout leader, Sir Richard Branson, good at business, so I thought he'd be really good being at the top and overseeing the running of the scout group. Squirrel leader, Mr. Tumble.
Take your hand, just like so. Move it around and say, hello!
Every little kid loves Mr. Tumble. They can do some singing and some dancing and stuff like that. The beaver leader, Maddie Moat from Maddie Knows It All. My kids are obsessed with Maddie. I love watching Maddie and learning new things of how a bike is made and how inside of a dishwasher runs, that kind of thing. So I thought she would make an awesome beaver leader. Moving up to cub leader, scout ambassador Steve Backshaw. His assistant scout leader actually could be his wife, but I thought Steve would be amazing and inspirational to be my Cub Scout leader. Of course, scout leader would be Bear Grylls, would be my scout leader. Don't really need to explain why, do I?
I think you're amazing. So have fun, keep scouting, never give up. Yeah, can I be the official first selfie person with you? Would that be sneaky?
Let's do it.
Here we are.
And for explorers, I thought, let's find someone who does explore the world, none other than better than Sir Ranulph Fiennes. So I asked this question just a few weeks ago to my YouTube community, and here's some of the examples that you guys suggested. So Susanna came up with a bit of a spin-off. She said, Mark, can I use cartoon characters? So Susanna said for her GSL, she'll use Velma from Scooby-Doo because she's brainy. Squirrels is going to be Blue from Blue Clues because he's fun and bouncy. Beavers, Marshall from Paw Patrol because he's mischievous. Cubs will be Bart Simpson because he's always in trouble, just like Cubs. Scouts would be Kenny from South Park. Why not? And Explorers will be Phineas from Phineas and Ferb because they're clever and has an entourage of friends to encourage. So my good friend Andy from First Abrams Scout Group, he suggested for his GSL, Scout Ambassador Julia Bradbury. Squirrel leader will be Ben Folks from Mr. Bloom. Hello, folks. I'm Mr. Bloom from CBBC's bad impression. Sorry about that.
Hey, hello there, tiddlers. How you tiddling? Oh, Mr. Bloom here.
The Beaver Scout leader will be Kia Pegg from CBBC. Cub Scout leader, like mine. Scout Ambassador Steve Backshaw, goes without saying. Scout leader, controversially, opposite to Bear Grylls, he went for Ray Mears. And Explorer Scout leader, Laura Bingham. She's one of the amazing British adventurers. Lovely ideas, Andy. And Ange at the First Royal Forest School Cubs. She's gone for Group Scout leader John May, who was a guest of mine previously just a few weeks ago, the secretary of the Duke of Edinburgh Award. Squirrel leader, she's gone for Kate Middleton. She'd be great for a squirrel leader, wouldn't she? Beaver leader Helen Glover. Interesting and good choice. Cub leader Ed Stafford. Yes, you've got to get Ed in your group, haven't you? Scout leader. She's gone for me. I've said celebrities. I don't think I am classed as a celebrity, Ange, but I'm honored to be in your fantasy scout group leader. And explorer leader, she has gone for Chief Scout of the World, Bear Grylls. What a great scout group that would be, wouldn't it? So who would you choose to be your squirrel leader, beaver leader, cub leader, scout leader, explorer leader, and GSL? If you could pick anybody, dead or alive, I wonder if anyone would pick BP. Comment below. I'd love to see that. Till next time, guys, have a great one, and I'll see you next time here on Big Man in the Woods.